Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Start Easy Knowledge.
Learning about language using adjectives. D यहाँ पर silent है. Adjectives mean describing words are called adjectives. वो words जो कि किसी भी noun को describe कर रहे होते हैं, उनके बारे में बता रहे होते हैं, वो adjectives होते हैं. जैसे उनकी खूबी बता रहे हों, उनका कलर बता रहे हों, उनका साइज बता रहे हों. That words are called describing words. Such as, from these sentences we have to find out adjectives and make sentences in our own. The old friends hugged each other. Here is adjective old because it describes this noun. The old friends. Old is adjective. Number B. Noman went to a small school. The school is small, so this one is adjective. Look at our fine house. The house is fine, cried Shahid. So the fine is adjective. There was a little wall all round it. The wall is little, so this is adjective. Words, sentences, old. My watch is very old. Small. This garden is very small. Fine. She did a fine artwork. Little. A little boy was playing with a toy. एक छोटा लड़का अपने एक खिलौने से खेल रहा है. Using verbs. Verbs mean fail. Verbs mean fail. The action. Doing words, action words are called verbs. In a sentence, the word that is doing action is called, that is doing work is called verb. Number 8. The two boys sat on the sand and looked at the house. What is the action in this sentence? There are two actions. The two boys sat on the sand. The first action is sat and the second action is looked. Number B. So Shahid went away and Numan stayed behind. The actions are also again two here. Went, stayed, Numan stayed behind. Look at our fine house. Cried Shahid. Cried is verb. We also can say look. Cried is action. We also can make sentence of look. He worked hard. So action word is worked. When he grew older, he went to college. Grew is action word and the went is also action word. Words, sentences, sat, बैठा. Baby sat on the chair. बच्चा कुर्सी पे बैठा. Looked. She looked herself into the mirror. उसने अपने आप को आईने में देखा. Or we can add here any name. Went, गया. I went to the school late. मैं late school पहुंचा. All these are past form, second form. This one is first. Stayed, रुक गया, पीछे रहा. I stayed inside the house when it rained. जब बारिश हुई तो मैं घर के अंदर ही रहा. Cried, baby cried for his toy. बच्चा अपने टॉय के लिए, अपने खिलौने के लिए रोया. Look at your parrot. अपने तोते की तरफ देखो. Look mean देखना. Worked. My father worked hard for us. Work mean काम किया. My father worked hard for us. मेरे अब्बू ने हमारे लिए सख्त मेहनत की. Grew mean बढ़ना. Grew बढ़ा या बढ़ना, उगना. The tadpole grew into a frog. Tadpole जो कि बेबी फ्रॉग होता है. Tadpole grew into a frog. Tadpole एक बड़ी मेंढक में चेंज हो गया या बड़ी मेंढक बन गया. A baby grew into a boy or into a kid. Went, गया. I went for shopping yesterday. Yesterday mean कल, गुजरा हुआ कल. मैं कल शॉपिंग के लिए या फिर ख़रीदारी के लिए गया.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and like and share the video.